Area of rectangles, square and triangles. Let's see first triangle. Here two triangles are shown. In this triangle, one dotted red line is drawn on the side. This base side. This side is called as the base of the triangle, and this is the perpendicular line to the base. Perpendicular means it forms the right angle here, means the 90-degree angle. So this perpendicular line is the height of the triangle. In this triangle, we cannot find out the height here. That's why we will extend the base side of the triangle up to here, and then we can draw the perpendicular line from this vertex on the base side. It forms the right angle. So this is the height of this given triangle. The area of the triangle is very easy. Formula is 1 upon 2 multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. If we know the breadth and height, we can calculate the area of the triangle. Here B means the base of the triangle and H means height of the triangle. So this formula is we can use for any triangle. Understood? Now how to measure the area and how to express it? Area is nothing but the occupied space by the object or that shape or figure. Here the unit to write the area or to measure the area is the square centimeter or square meter or square feet or square inch. Means whatever given unit in the example that we have to write with the answer. A square centimeter is the square in which all the sides measure 1 centimeter, and if area is also measured in the square meters, so a square meter is a square in which all the sides measure 1 meter. Okay. Now how to write it? 50 square centimeters would be written as 50 centimeter square. Here, how to read it? 50 centimeter square. Or you can write it like 50 square centimeter. Okay. This SQ denotes the square, and as centimeter is given, centimeter. So you can write like this way, 50 centimeter square or 50 square centimeter. Meaning is same. Understood? But while writing, we have to write the short form SQ for the square, and for centimeters we will write the cm. Same way we can write for the meter also. 32 square meters would be written as 32 meters square, or you can write 32 square meter. Understood how to write it? Let's see one example now. What is the area of the triangle with base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6 centimeter? Here whatever is given that you have to write first, that we have base of the triangle is 4.8 centimeter and height of the triangle is 3.6 centimeter. Therefore area of the triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by base into height. Put the values in the formula, we will get the answer 8.64 centimeter square. Understood? It is very easy. Last year you have learned to find out the area by counting the squares like this. Such examples we have learned already. This is the rectangle. So you can find out the area of this rectangle by dividing the rectangle into the squares of equal size. So there are 12 rectangles, squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So area of this figure is 12 square units. Why units? Because centimeter, meter is not mentioned. So we can write there unit. Now this is the irregular shape. So we can find out the area of the irregular shape also. Divide this into the equal size squares and count the squares and write the area. Here 16 squares are there. So area is 16 square units. Now let's find out the area by using the formula. To find out the to find out the area of the rectangle, it is very easy. Length into breadth. The longer side is called as the length and the shorter side is called as the breadth. So only we have to multiply length into breadth, we will get the area of the rectangle. Let's see one example. Here length is the 10 centimeter and breadth is the 7 centimeter. Write first formula, then put the values. 10 into 7 is equal to 70 centimeter square. Understood it? One more example. Length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. 5 into 4, 20 centimeter square. Now this is the irregular shape again. So if such shape is given, then we have to divide that figure into the regular shapes. So we will get two parts, part A and part B, and it is the rectangles. So we can name as a rectangle A and rectangle B. So we know this side as a 5 centimeter, correct? So this will be again 5 centimeter and this side is total 10 centimeter. But up to here, now we have to find out this one. This much part is 6 centimeter, so remaining part is 10 minus 6 is 4 here. So here will come 4. To find out the area of this rectangle A, we know the length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So 5 4s are 20 centimeter square is the area of the rectangle A. Now you have to find out the area of the rectangle B also. This is 10 centimeter and total this is 12 centimeter. Up to this is a 5 centimeter. So rest will be 12 minus 5 is 7 centimeter is equal to 70 centimeter square. Now we know the area of the rectangle A and B. To find out the whole area of this figure, we have to add them. We will get 90 centimeter squares. So you can find out the area of the square, triangle, rectangle and irregular shapes. Understood it?